Hello everyone, myself Fomi Mehta, and here we discuss what is operator precedency and associativity. So, uh, each operator in C has a precedence associated with it. Precedence means nothing but the priority. So, if we have 3 to 4 operators in a particular expression or equation, then which operator is given the first priority? So, it is decided based on its precedence. And then if there are same operator more than one time, means a plus b plus c, okay, so plus plus is 2 times, then which plus executing first? Then for that the associativity decide which plus operation is performed first. So this is precedence and associativity. So each operator in C has a precedence associated with it. This precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. If more than one operator in a particular expression, then how that expression is executed. This is based on precedence and associativity. So precedence is used in that. Okay, so here I tell that A plus B plus C or multiply by D. So in this expression more than two operators are there. So for that which operator is executed first? It is decided based on its precedence. The operators at the higher level of precedence are evaluated first. So if in plus and multiplication the precedence of multiplication is higher, then that evaluated first. Means that C multiplied by D is evaluated first. Okay, the operators of the same precedence are evaluated either from left to right or from right to left depending on the level. This is known as the associativity property of an operator. So this plus is 2 times. So it is same level of precedence. Okay, so what we can do, it is evaluated either left to right, okay, in this way, that A plus B, or right to left means B plus C. So it is depending on what? Associativity property. So this is known as associativity property of an operator. So there is one table which indicate the precedence level and then what is the associativity of particular operator. So the higher precedence of operator is this bracket, means this bracket is evaluated first in the expression. So its precedence is higher 1 and its associativity is left to right. Means what? That if there is two brackets in particular expression, then this left to right we go, then this the first bracket is evaluated first and then this second bracket is evaluated. That's why associativity, whenever more than one operator of same level, same precedence level is there, then we have to go for the associativity, whether we execute left to right or right to left. So in bracket associativity is left to right, then we use this. Okay, now the second precedency level is plus minus, increment decrement, then one's complement, pointer reference, address, typecasting, all these are operator have precedence level 2 and then its associativity is right to left. Okay, now see, this is unarray plus and unarray minus. It is not a common plus and minus. Okay, so be careful that it is not normal addition or subtraction because its precedence level is not 2. Now next is third precedence is multiplication, division and module operation, and its associativity is left to right. So the higher precedence is first the brackets, then that increment, decrement, pointer, that operation, then after multiplication, division, modulo, then after fourth is of addition and subtraction. Mostly all the operator have associativity is left to right. Okay, so after addition, subtraction, left shift, right shift, this both operation have a left to right associativity and its precedence is fifth level. Then after less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and its associativity is also left to right. Okay, so on seventh precedence level, there is a operator double equal to or equality and inequality, and its associativity is also left to right. Okay, so there is if there is a plus operator and double equal to operator, then first plus operator is evaluated, then after this operator is evaluated. Simple thing, just because of its precedence level. Then after bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, logical AND, logical OR. Then some of the operators have a just right to left associativity. And the most important operator is that assignment operators who have associativity right to left. Which means that if there is a more than one assignment operators are there, then it is executed right to left. Okay, and the other one is conditional expression. Okay, and at the end comma operator are there. So this comma operator is associativity left to right, and this is the lowest precedence level. So this is useful when you actually executed particular expression. Okay, so this operator precedence and associativity is checked whenever you executed particular expression. Thank you.